The fourth category is called single gene, because there's often one single gene identifiable that's doing something differently, and that particular gene, that change is significant enough that it produces a recognizable pattern. Often that pattern has its own name. And so that recognizable pattern might include characteristics beyond autism itself. And all these different characteristics trace back to the same genetic change. Those other characteristics might include certain facial features or possibly disruptions to other body functions like the heart, the GI tract, the bones, hormones, or others. You may have heard of some of these, like Fragile X syndrome, Rett syndrome, Phelan McDermid syndrome, tuberous sclerosis complex, sometimes called TSC, and another one called PTEN or PTEN-related conditions. There are many others. Each of these involves a specific genetic variant that affects brain development in particular ways, and each comes with its own distinct profile in terms of what a child's development looks like, what medical monitoring might be helpful for them, and what support approaches are most relevant. What makes this category especially important right now is that it's one of the most actionable areas in autism. When you can point to a single gene, you can actually, in research studies, look exactly at what that gene does, why it matters, and increasingly, whether there are ways to address the biology specifically. There are already specific medical therapies for some of these conditions, and more research studies are underway.